Hey there, Anthony Hunkler here with Magne Shade, and in today's video, we'll be showing you how to properly install a side shade on your RV. A few of the included items that come with every side shade are going to be number one, the black exterior magnets, followed by the silane primer, which is used to prepare the glass. Next up, we have adhesive, which will apply to every single magnet. And lastly, we have the instructions. That way you can read through how to properly install your Magne Shade. Now that we've located all of the necessary components in installing your side shade, let's go ahead and take that shade and put it in the sun. That way the fabric can relax and eliminate any potential wrinkles that were caused in the shipping process. With the shade relaxing in the sun, we're going to go ahead and focus on cleaning the perimeter of the glass on this driver's side. What we're going to need for that is 4-aught steel wool, which you can pick up at any local hardware store, and then isopropyl alcohol. So what we're going to do is spray the perimeter, buff it, and what this steel wool is going to do is strip the glass of anything that's naked to the human eye that can restrict the bonding process. Once the glass has been cleaned with the isopropyl alcohol and 4-aught steel wool, be sure to take a microfiber towel and wipe the perimeter clean. All right, next up, what we're gonna do is get this side shade ready for install. And to do that, we're gonna go ahead and place magnets around the perimeter of the shade over each pocket location. So what I have here in front of me is the side shade, and I'm looking at the back side of the shade. Now that's important because we want the magnets to go on the back of the pockets. With the exterior magnets now paired to the back of the shade, go ahead and scoot them towards the edge of the pocket. With the magnets now on the shade and scooted into the proper position, we're gonna go ahead and take isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel and gently wipe them and get them nice and clean. Now, when applying the adhesive to the magnets, I want you guys to remember not to touch the exposed adhesive. What that can do is strip any oils from your skin and actually restrict the bonding process of the adhesive to the magnet. So remember, be careful, go around each magnet until it's done, and then we're almost ready for install. The last step before actually setting the magnets is going to be taking the included silane primer, spraying it around the perimeter, and wiping it away. What this does is create a moisture barrier that helps the adhesive bond properly to the glass. When installing the side shade, I like to start in one of the upper corners and then work my way across the entire top horizontal of the shade, setting each magnet as I go. While this isn't required, I highly recommend you recruit a second set of hands to help hold the shade down at the bottom, ensuring that it's aligned before placing the upper magnets. Once that's complete, I'll work left to right, top to bottom, while applying slight tension at each magnet location. What this does is give you a nice and tight shade and a great looking finished product. Now with this side shade completely installed, what we're gonna do is actually pull this shade off and keep it off between 3 to 5 days. If you can, leave it off for 5 days. And what that allows is this adhesive to cure properly. So this is pressure activated adhesive, and it also needs ample amount of time to be able to bond to the glass and results in a really quality install. With the Magne Shade off and the magnets now properly installed on the glass, go ahead and take the opportunity to go around to each magnet location and apply additional pressure for at least 1 to 2 minutes. I'd even recommend doing this a few times throughout the first 24 hours of cure time. That way the adhesive can bond properly and you have a nice, complete install. Thank you guys so much for following along today. We greatly appreciate your business. And if you have any questions at all about what you saw in this video, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help.